before we do that, I just read, don't listen to what the text said. Don't get in your feelings. Listen, Wack said it was clips. He said clips at the beginning. It said clips. He said it about 2 times in the text message. So you can read it on his page. He said that it was just clips. So he was never expecting 2 hours worth of footage.
Right. That's why he said, let me get some more footage, homie. Right. I'm thinking he paid for the clips or something. And he asked him, let me get a little bit. But that shit was free. That nigga.
For the Kanye joint.
Yeah, you did that shit on GP.
For the Kanye joint.
You did that shit on GP.
Man, I did that on GP, bro. All that. And I had to go pay the attorney because she said it needs to be a contract. She wasn't going to pay for it. I paid the fucking attorney. Draft the contract up. Had to pay my little editor dude to come over there and edit the shit. Go through 5 hours of footage and find something that fit the intro and outro to a concert. Family oriented. Come on, bro. Come on.
So you did that shit on GP for him and came out your pocket a couple racks. Oh, that nigga Jay Prince burnt that.
All that.
Jay Prince too old to be clout chasing.
All that. See, whenever I come with the shit and it cleans it up, everybody, they sweep it under the rug. They ain't got nothing to say. Or they think that nigga got the edge on me. Oh my God. Then when I respond, they act like they don't see it. We don't know what happened. We don't know.
Hey, but don't got the life.
They get amnesia.
Jay Prince got the life right to a movie, right?
Yeah, do it.
So why the fuck he ain't do no clips and did his own shit without anybody?
Because he run around with Larry Hoover name, but he ain't doing nothing with it. It's clout, my nigga. Like so I told him, bro, where your script? You got a script? Got anything yet, bro? You got the life rights 15 years. I got involved in this shit October 2021, my nigga. I'm confused.
No more than him. $5 hours of footage is a lot. Y'all can do your own shit with that.
No, all that while we was gonna do was a documentary. Well, no, we were just gonna do a documentary. That's it. No more less. That's why I'm like him is like, I don't know how smart he is now because I think he just been getting great opportunity because for him to say, I just talked to Ms. Hoover and that she got the contract. Yeah, to the life rights. Yeah, I know. This ain't life rights. This is put it him filmed in prison. And see what he gotta know when he said shit that y'all forged. Hey bro, anybody in prison know before they bring an inmate out that they finna allow some cameras to be on, that inmate got to sign a release, bro, on the other side of that glass.
Especially when it comes to moving.
Hey, what? So how long you think this documentary gonna take? How long you think this documentary gonna come out?
Yeah, I don't, like I said, I'm working for somebody, working with somebody, so, I'm moving as fast as I can. I'm not Jay Prince. I'm not gonna pressure the lady, bro. I'm gonna move at her pace, bro. You want to pressure, get me in front of her. I bet I can make that fuck out of here, bro. You want to show up with 10 niggas, bro, with an old lady? Stupid as fuck, bro. We ain't doing that. It's her shit, bro. It's her shit. She paid for it. That's her shit, bro. She went to the government, had the government call the prison to give her access for 3 visiting days, bro. With 2 cameras and the dude, I forget his name, the white dude, he well-known guy, journalist out of New York. What is his name? He's still there today, well-known. They the ones interviewed him. She had to pay him all kind of shit, fly camera crews out, all that shit. And she been keeping the footage. Yeah, she been keeping the footage in a refrigerated like type storage, preserved. That's why it's so crystal clear today. She showed me the bill of that shit.
Why she been holding the footage so long? Why she ain't never did it?
Bro, hey bro, listen. I am not finna be pressuring and asking that lady that, bro. What kind of niggas is you niggas, bro?
She don't gotta do nothing with it.
She ain't gotta do nothing. We ain't never gotta come out.
That's respect.
Yeah, I'm not finna be in there. Like, what are y'all talking about? I'm not doing that. That's why the person that sent her to me said, listen, if there's anybody that's gonna stand with you, you ain't gotta worry about him playing both sides. It's this man right here. Call him, tell him what you got. If he agrees to work with